Are you trying to pick the best car polish without getting overwhelmed by a sea of options? Don't worry, we'll break down the top picks and what makes them shine. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car polish that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. From the moment you open it, the smooth consistency signals a premium polish designed to maximize corrective potential with minimal dust. It ships in a 16-ounce bottle, providing ample value for frequent sessions and ensuring quick replenishment between detailing jobs. It targets hobbyists and professional detailers seeking a versatile, forgiving product that preps surfaces before wax without introducing haze. The packaging exudes durability and practicality, and the formula itself emphasizes silicone-free performance to maintain a safe profile on sensitive finishes. In terms of design, Meguiar's keeps the cap user-friendly with a secure flip top that prevents accidental openings during transport. The bottle's contours balance weight distribution for comfortable, extended use, reducing hand fatigue while tackling large panels or detailed trim work. The product presents a smooth, gel-like consistency that spreads evenly, enabling uniform correction across moderate defects without requiring heavy pressure or deep agitation. Compared to harsher compounds, this polish dusts far less, preserving surrounding paint integrity while still delivering noticeable clarity after a single pass. It is compatible with a wide range of pad types, including foam and microfiber, offering flexibility for different finishing strategies and gloss levels. In testing, observers noted reduced swirl visibility and improved color depth when applied as a finishing step before sealant. The water-based composition helps keep water spots at bay and simplifies cleanup, making it easy to wipe off without residue. Despite its gentle status, it resolutely prepares surfaces for wax or sealant, enhancing clarity while maintaining safety on delicate finishes. When stacked against Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, Ultimate Polish excels in finishing accuracy and final gloss rather than heavy correction. The pros include easy to use, safe for all finishes including clear coats, and adds lasting depth and vibrant gloss. The cons include relatively high price and requires meticulous technique to avoid micro-marring in varied lighting conditions during. At number 4, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, a versatile polish designed to correct oxidation, swirl marks, and hazy finishes. Initial impressions center on its reputation as a one-step compound capable of restoring clarity without aggressive agitation. For first-time users, the non-dusting formula minimizes mess on trim pieces and creates a forgiving environment for beginners tackling minor defects. Vehicle enthusiasts, detailers, and shop professionals seeking efficient defect removal without heavy compounding will likely appreciate its approachable nature. The packaging presents a compact, user-friendly tub that keeps product clean between sessions and supports erasing light to medium scratches during use. Its formula is creamy, easy to spread, and resists drying out under typical garage lighting, reducing the need for excessive work time. The product's density feels balanced, not runny yet not overly stiff, which helps maintain consistent coverage across curved panels. In terms of chemistry, it employs fine abrasive particles designed to progressively refine the surface without creating deep scratches. For beginners, the product's forgiving cut will reduce the risk of creating halos, granting confidence during mid-level correction tasks. Professional detailers may appreciate the ability to work with a variety of pads and speeds to tailor aggressiveness. Its standout feature is a balanced compound that delivers predictable correction on oxidation and swirl marks without leaving excessive dust. During testing on a showroom faded clear coat, it progressed through stages smoothly, producing a brighter finish with minimal wipe down after. Users report noticeable defect removal without requiring extensive decontamination or refinishing steps, making it a practical one-step solution for many daily drivers. Compared with the 3M Perfect It rubbing compound, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound delivers faster correction with fewer halos and smoother finish. The pros include excellent cut rate, forgiving application, and residue-free wipe-off. The cons include moderate price and limited effectiveness on deep imperfections. At number 3, we have the new Finish Car Polish. From the moment you lift the cap, the smooth gel-like paste invites homeowners and detail enthusiasts seeking easy, glossy results without professional equipment. Packaging presents a compact 16-ounce bottle with a smooth flip cap, tailored for both home garages and mobile detail setups. The bottle design favors one-handed grip and precise application, reducing wrist strain during long polishing sessions. For casual car owners, it promises an approachable rota of steps, while pros appreciate consistent results without complex rituals. Its ready-to-use formula cleans light oxidation while providing a durable, high-gloss finish that remains easy to wipe away. The polish works effectively across metal, chrome, and painted surfaces, producing a clear glaze that minimizes hazing and enhances color depth. During light to moderate oxidation tests, the product restored clarity without introducing streaks, leaving an even, showroom-ready shine. In simulated monthly wash cycles, the shine remained vibrant and water beading persisted, suggesting mid-range durability for suburban drivers. Removal is surprisingly simple with a microfiber after a moderate wipe, reducing risk of micro scratches during routine maintenance. The application process rewards patience, as a thin gauge layer cures into a durable gloss that responds well to multiple passes. For maintenance, it pairs well with a routine washing schedule and offers UV protection that defends against sun-induced fading. Its creamy texture resists hardening in cold conditions, maintaining consistent application and removal across a wide range of climates. When stacked against Meguiar's cleaner wax, new Finish Car Polish offers longer-lasting protection with easier removal. The pros include easy to apply with minimal effort, long-lasting gloss with durable protection over months, low odor during use and cleanup. The cons include significantly higher price point relative to budget waxes and occasional streaking on very dirty or heavily textured finishes. At number 2, we have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, a compact polish that targets light scratches with surprisingly effective results. From the moment you unbox it, the packaging communicates a user-friendly DIY mindset aimed at achieving showroom-worthy swirls. The primary audience spans weekend car buffs and everyday drivers seeking affordable, studio-grade polish results without renting time at a shop. Its forgiving nature and clear instructions ease newcomers into buffering, letting most users see a noticeable improvement without mastering complex techniques. The bottle delivers a sturdy, compact 8-ounce container with a flip cap that resists leaks and sits comfortably in one hand. Ergonomic grip and a smooth dispensing mechanism reduce finger fatigue during longer polishing sessions, enabling steadier, more consistent results. The compact profile pairs well with tight spaces, allowing you to reach behind mirrors and around trim without bulky interference. Its technical formula combines mild abrasives with synthetic polymers, delivering a balanced cut to remove micro scratches while preserving clear coat integrity. It also resists adding haze, leaving a consistent glossy finish that deepens color without an oily afterfeel over time. During use, it buffs to a slick surface when worked with a soft microfiber, creating an even layer ready for removal. In practical testing, it effectively reduces light swirl marks and mild scratches within a single application, restoring clarity without frequent reapplication. Real-world results vary by paint type, but owners consistently report noticeable improvement on common daily drivers after standard polishing cycles. Compared to deeper abrasives, this product preserves existing paint integrity while delivering tangible cosmetic gains without the risk of gouges. In a head-to-head with a professional-grade compound from a rival brand, Carfidant offers comparable results at a fraction of the cost. The pros include easy to apply, safe for clear coats, and budget-friendly, making the Carfidant option approachable for hobbyists and professionals alike. The cons include not ideal for deep scratches and residue requires buffing, which can extend post-care time for perfectionists. At number 1, we have the new Finish Car Polish Sealant, offering durable gloss, reliable protection, and straightforward application for enthusiasts. From the first use, this formula promises durable protection, deep gloss, and ease of application for DIY detailers and professional enthusiasts. Its target audience includes weekend detailers seeking fast, reliable protection without complex steps, as well as busy fleets needing quick turnover. Build quality and design are highlighted by a sturdy plastic bottle with a user-friendly cap, a smooth label, and 32-ounce capacity. It includes a long-lasting polymer blend that bonds to clear coat and resists UV fading while maintaining a high-gloss finish. Real-world testing shows water beading is strong, with minimal streaking after multiple wipe cycles and consistent ease of removal. Performance and longevity under sun exposure demonstrated durable protection for up to 6 months with routine monthly maintenance and inspection. In about 15 minutes, a full coat can be applied by a single person with a microfiber, leaving a slick, film-like finish. Compared to Meguiar's Ultimate Wax, new finish delivers brighter gloss and comparable durability at a friendlier price, appealing to budget-focused detailers. The pros include effortless application, exceptional gloss revival, and robust, long-lasting protection that resists washing and environmental wear. The cons include a higher price relative to budget polishes and occasional streaking when used in extreme heat or with improper substrate. For best results, apply in a shaded area, use a microfiber applicator, and allow 20 minutes for a dust-free cure. Store upright away from heat, reseal cap after use, and keep away from kids and pets to preserve its efficacy. This polish sealant balances convenience with performance, making it the top pick for casual drivers and detail-minded professionals alike.